Right, it's Andy V, right back at you, ready to give you some news about Predator Justice Pasta. I hope I did alright with that one. Smash the like button if I did. If I didn't, put some generic comment in. Where comments are approved on. So if they're sane at least, then that's absolutely fine. So, a double dunt of Predator Justice. First of all, most importantly, Ian Watkins from the Lost Prophets gets stabbed in jail. What a surprise. You know, it is quite open secret. If other inmates find out you have been doing child-like crimes, right, as in crimes against children, your name just gets a big massive tattoo across its head, and it's just a ticking time bomb until you get stabbed, right? And that saves society having to deal with performing punishment on the alleged, but in this case, Ian Watkins, this has saved taxpayer idiotic money, because for a week of someone being in jail, it can cost up to $5,000, sometimes more, depends on the wing size and the specialism the wing has. So yeah, he's died. Hip hip hooray. Some people say a naughty phrase in Arabic to celebrate. So, you know, we say hip hip hooray, they say Al Akbar. Right? So whatever you want to say, even if you're not of the speaking variety, you're a quiet guy, you can, I don't know, open a nice tin of beer and say fuck yeah. But anyway, that's going into a wee tangent. Right now, Sean Diddy Combs, he got sent away 4 years 2 months. Now there's a technical term that he did get off with. I don't quite know the term off the top of my hand at this point, but he did get jail for a variety of things, but not so much other things, which is really weird. And I'm just wondering if the judge is a pervert. Well, to be honest, wouldn't be too surprised, because most judges are geriatric. One judge was actually even caught sleeping for a court case because the size of his wig made it clear, well, made it easier to get away with a quick snooze during the case. So that's utterly nuts. But yeah, he's in. You know, the weird thing was that he was crying in the courtroom but laughing in the lunch hall, which is extremely weird. And you know, he's trying to spin 2 plates with 1 set of hands. You can't have pick and choose. It's either you're gutted or you're exuberant. But hey, and there is a guy called Murad Morali. He seems to be like a YouTube type journalist type person, and people were, let's say, trying to start a fight with him in various parts of the court. He's doing a job, so he's doing a job. like about 100 other journalists, and why they're wanting to pick fights on him, I don't quite know. Maybe it's the fact that he stands clearly against perverts, you know, and maybe they feel a bit triggered. Why? Wonder why. But anyway, yeah, 2 perverts put away where they belong. Anyway, if you like this video, that's brilliant. And until next one.